In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and use some of Friyay's project tools. Friyay has project tools designed to help you organize any size project. Today we'll look at project plan and project results. First is project plan. So what is this tool for? Project plan lets you quickly lay out and organize information around multiple projects. Project plan also lets you quickly link multiple projects in one place. Let's see how that works. Let's go to project plan and add some projects we're working on. Now we can see all of the tasks in those projects. It's also easy to quickly assign, update, or even add new tasks to those projects. Now we can see all of the progress at a glance for those projects. Then there's project results. This tool shows you the completion of tasks in your projects for every week. Let's add some projects we're interested in tracking. Now we can see how well we've done completing tasks in our projects week by week. This way you have a very clear view on progress. If you or your team is falling behind in any of your projects, you'll know right away. That concludes this tutorial on project plan and project results. Thanks for watching.